Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste an image into another page in WordPress using Elementor. This is incredibly useful when you want to maintain design consistency across multiple pages without having to upload and format the same image repeatedly. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to access your WordPress website dashboard and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the Pages section in your left sidebar and click on it. From there, select All Pages, which will display a complete list of all the pages on your website. This overview makes it easy to locate exactly which page contains the image you want to copy. Now find the page that has the image you're looking to duplicate and click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor editor, giving you full control over the page's design elements. Elementor's visual interface makes it simple to work with images and other content blocks directly on the page. Once you're in the editor, scroll through the page until you locate the specific image you want to copy. When you've found it, simply right-click on the image element. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Copy. This action saves the image element along with all its settings, styling, and configurations to your clipboard, ready to be placed elsewhere. Next, navigate to the page where you want to paste this image. You can do this by clicking on the Elementor menu icon at the top left, then selecting the destination page from your pages list, or by exiting and selecting another page from your WordPress dashboard. Once you're on the target page in Elementor, right-click in the area where you want the image to appear. From the context menu that pops up, select Paste. The image will instantly appear in that location with all its original formatting intact. And there you have it. You've successfully copied and pasted an image from one page to another in WordPress using Elementor, saving you time and ensuring visual consistency across your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.